name is Cody from Solid Loyalty BMX, and today I'm doing a bike check. It's my bike. It's the 2012 Mongoose Mode 540. It's a great bike. If you're getting started with BMX, I suggest it because it's light. It's really light, actually. So let's break down all the facts and good stuff. So let's start with the handlebars. That's it. Everything's basically original except for the brakes, the Textro, and then I got black brake line, ODI, green log necks. The tires are normal Mongoose tires. They have red wall in them. Basically, that's normal tires. Moving on to the frame. It's a high 10 steel frame, 20-inch. We got the cranks that are 9mm tubular cranks with the clear deco pedals. 25-9 tooth ratio for the sprocket and the back hub. It's pretty loud, I believe. Sounds like this. Yeah, and my brakes are pretty good. As you see, they stop really quick. Moving on to the back. Same tire, same everything. And that's basically my bike. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe, and check out our new videos coming soon. Again, this is Cody from Solid Loyalty BMX, and wishing you a good time biking.